Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to download a file from internet that supports pause and resume in C#. After you finish creating a new Windows Forms project, you need to open your form designer, then drag the button, text box, label and progress bar controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your form designer. You can design a simple UI that allows you to enter a URL, then download the file and display the download information on your form. Next, right-click on your project, then select Manage Node Packages, search and install AltoHttp into your project. AltoHttp provides fast and easy download management files. After you finish installing the AltoHttp library, you need to add a click event handler to the Start button to help you download file. We will use HTTP downloader class to download a file from the URL. HTTP downloader helps you manage file downloads, including pausing and resuming file downloads. You can create a simple form to help you configure the download path, or just save the downloaded file to the applications directory. You will also need to add the download completed and progress changed events to HTTP downloader. If you want to pause download files, you can call the pause method. Otherwise, call the resume method to resume download files. You should use the invoke method to execute a delegate on the thread that owns the control's underlying window handle. Method invoker provides a simple delegate that is used to invoke a method with a void parameter list. This delegate can be used when making calls to a control's invoke method, or when you need a simple delegate but do not want to define one yourself. If you want to update your download progress, you can add your quote inside this event handler. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.